Hey y'all, this is Mr. Smith with Arithmetic Patterns Video 2. I'm going to go through the same procedure, read through the problem. Um, if you have not seen Video 1, I definitely recommend you go back and watch Arithmetic Patterns Video 1. This problem, we're only going to do the next equal now because this problem models one of the released EOC questions. It was rewritten based off of what Mr. Behringer likes to do and what he did. But anyway, let's go and go through the problem. It says Mr. Behringer loves bugs. He actually decided to take a queen termite home so he could observe the birth rate. The sequence below shows the total number of termites each week that he counted. So of course the first week was just the queen. After 1 week it produced 201 that were in the little cage he had, and then the next week 401, and then 601. And they ask us to write a formula used to determine the number of termites in the lab next week, which represents next, if the number of termites this year now is known. So they're just asking us to write the next equal now. So in this problem we have to first figure out what the common difference is. So we have to figure out what is going on between 1 and 201 and 201 and 401 and 401 and 601. I think most people recognize that it's plus 200. And from here we can write the next equal now. So I'm going to slide this up a little bit. Leave that so we can see our common difference. So we know our next equal now always starts off with next equals now. And then we have our common difference, which is the plus 200. So I'm going to write plus 200. And then we have our start at. And our start at, we started off with 1 queen termite. So I'm going to put 1. And that would be our answer. Again, it says write the formula used to determine the number of termites in the house, because that is actually his house, not lab. I know he calls it a lab sometimes, but it's just his house. Next week, if the number of termites this year now is known, and what that tells us. So again, if you still have difficulties with this, you can always go back to video 1, but I really hope this helped.